count on us as loyal party members that will support his administration and our PWD's friendly national chairman to guarantee internal cohesion in our party as he takes on the one-off task of ensuring that disability does not become inability for us. Your Excellency, permit me to commend the Renew Hope initiative of Our Excellency Senator Tinubu, which is targeting PWDs and other vulnerable segments of the society. Our governors and National Assembly members have all shown commitment to alleviating the plight of PWDs. Indeed, government must do more for us. Disability is not inability. Disability only becomes a tragedy when society fails to provide the things needed to lead about one's daily life. I have said it humorously, but factually, that the PWD constituency is the fastest growing community. People are recruited involuntarily daily. Disability is never by choice, and nobody is removed, Your Excellency. The population of persons with disabilities in Nigeria, according to independent findings in 2022, is about 31 million. This is higher than the entire population of 5 countries in West Africa. Many often forget that we have children, wives, and other dependents who look up to us for support and sustenance. 6 years after the passage of the Discrimination Against Persons with Disability Prohibition Act, only 13 states have domesticated the bill, the act. They include Lagos, Anambra, Ekiti, Ondo, peterobi, Kano, and some other states. We call on the state government who are yet to domesticate fully the Discrimination Against Persons with Disability Prohibition Act to do so without further delay and establish Disability Commission as enshrined in the Act. This is important because failure in this regard is actually an endorsement of discrimination and other harmful practices against persons with disabilities. Most importantly, the economic decision to remove fuel subsidy and unify exchange rate, in our opinion, is the best. But then the most affected population, is PWD, and we call for inclusion of PWDs and our representatives at all levels in the programs and efforts to cushion the effects on the most vulnerable Nigerians. A certain percentage should be allotted to PWDs in the palliative list and other social safety nets in the short term, while medium to long-term interventions such as mass housing should be extended to PWDs. More so, the pains and pangs of persons with disabilities, ranging from lack of financial inclusion, accessibility, empowerment, health services at affordable costs, scholarship and bursary, as well as insurance policy at affordable costs, are pressing, and we hope to see policy initiatives that will give priority access to persons with disabilities in the coming months. Your Excellency, any support to PWDs today might turn out to be a help to serve or close family members. As we prepare for Edo and Ondo gubernatorial off-cycle elections, All Progressive Congress has proven to be the preferred option for inclusive development. Hence, I call on all the electorates to support APC candidates to emerge victorious and sustain the culture of inclusive governance. Again, Your Excellency, our Father, we are committed to the success of your leadership. We are here also to show our total loyalty to your leadership, and you can always depend on us as your loyal soldiers as you lead APC to continuous victory. We stand with you, Your Excellency, and we say no to any distraction. Finally, I thank and appeal to all Nigerians of political divide to unite in the task of rebuilding Nigeria. It is only through our firm collective efforts that our nation can sail through the and join the Committee of Developed Countries.
Mr. Chairman, sir, we want to thank you for the privilege given to us to come here and tell you we are really grateful for all the efforts you are making to make sure people people with disability are happy with the APC. And sir, we thank you so much because this is the only party in Africa that has recognized the people with disability. During campaigns, I told my colleagues, the people with disability, to embrace APC because this is the only party that has programs and has recognized us as part of this nation. So we want to say thank you. We thank you so much. We thank you so much. And we ask that God in his infinite mercy will increase you in love and ability to carry us along. Amen. We want to thank all the members of National Working Committee who are here to support you in making sure that people with disability has a say in your government. We say thank you, sir. We bless you, we honor you.
Thank you very much.
Congratulate you and commend you for the work you've been doing, because since when you came into office, there's always success, success, success. We have elections in 3 states, Your Excellency, and by the grace of God, we have won 2. Even the one in Osun State, it was because of the internal fighting. We would have cleared all these 3. And by God's grace, the upcoming one, we had Bayelsa as well. And then the upcoming one in Edo, by the grace of Almighty, will cost to victory. Your Excellency, we also want to commend what you've been doing, because we feel we as Senior Special Assistant to the President, we have duty to come here to you and get advices from you and see how we can have a synergy between our offices, because we have SSAPs with capacity, Your Excellency.
We didn't just start today. You see, the corners of this particular secretariat was where we grew up in. We all started from APC. Our blood is APC, our heart is APC. Most people here know who we are. We have fought here, we have made up here, we have gone for party assignments, we have had enormous stories to tell. But if we do not come back to tell the leadership of the party that, look, this is the party that made us who we are today, and we just do not want, to let go of that. We have to bring in our quota, because we want continuation and we want a synergy between the party itself and governance. We are in the best position to know a lot, especially about our party, because we've been there from the ups, we've been there downs, and we understood the sacrifices that each and every one of you have made over the years. So today we're not talking much. We just want to show our support to you, sir, Mr. Chairman, and we want to ensure that there is continuity and there is strength in this party.
An objective of a political party as an institution is for the recruitment of membership, and also for the recruitment of elective and appointive members of the party. In this incident, we were so committed through internal democracy to fish out one candidate who will face other political parties in the gubernatorial election between you and the party. Both of us were serving various communities and we are serving the nation. So as we always say, political party as an institution is a two-way traffic. We harness the demand, the need, the requirement, the concern of the people of Nigeria, articulate it and pass it to the ruling party, to the government of the federation. And also, we receive the successes of our government, the policies of our government, and we publicize the successes of our government. We enlighten members of the public about the achievements of our government. So you, as agents of policy implementation, we need to build a synergy so that we understand ourselves closely for the betterment of the nation. So we thank you for coming, for also paying solidarity to us. We are now formally conscious of your appointments, and we are looking forward for further engagement. Thank you, and God bless.